Hi everyone, it's K for Tech Figure here, and this is the new iPad that was announced earlier this year at Apple's education event. Now the box looks identical to the previous version, although this one, the only way to tell the difference is it says 6th generation on the back. Although this particular iPad adds touch capability for the Apple Pencil, and it also has an updated processor in it. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Now this one comes in at 32GB and goes up to 128GB. It starts at $329 for the Wi-Fi version, which is this one, and goes to $459 with Wi-Fi and cellular. If you want additional memory, it's another $100. So let's open this up here. There we go. I picked this one up in silver, and just like all the Apple products, we've got the lightning cable and we've got an iPad adapter. This one I believe is 10 watts, as you can see there, and you have the same information here with your Apple stickers. So let's set this aside. Let's open this up here. So there's no differentiating features on the back of this from the previous iPad version. Let's turn it on. This does have the 2nd generation Touch ID on it, so it should be faster. All the features of this iPad are the same as the previous version, apart from it sports the iPad Pencil, and it has a faster processor, the A10. We'll wait for it to boot up here. Okay, let's turn it on. It says hello. I'll get this set up here. So it's quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11, bring it near to sign it in automatically. It's connecting to Wi-Fi. It's going to activate. This isn't the cellular version. You can tell that it will have an antenna right here. Now it does have a 1080p camera. Now you can see this must be iOS 11 pre-installed, as you can see the data and privacy. I'll set up Touch ID. Now that Touch ID is set up, it's asking me if I want to install from an iCloud backup, or set up as new, or move data from Android. I'm going to set it up as new and then put in the Apple ID. Now I've put my Apple ID in, it's recognized it. I'll hit agree. It's going to take a few minutes to set this up. Now it's asking if I want to do express settings. I do. We'll wait just a moment. You'll see it's telling us it's doing something. I'll hit continue. I'll set this up later. I really don't want to use this for Apple Pay. It's doing something again. We'll continue to use Siri and share with app developers, sure, and access the dock from anywhere, and switch between recent apps. It's telling us how to use it, and get started. Let's take a look at what version it's running, since it's the first time it's been turned on. You'll see it's preloaded with the current version of 15E302, so that's pretty nice. It's already on there, we don't have to worry about updating straight away. So overall it's your basic iPad, and it's not much different from the previous generation, but it's a little bit faster. If there's anything you want to specifically hear about this one, let me know your thoughts below. The camera is a 1080p camera. It's very good for what it is and very usable. I don't think there's any additional wallpapers, let's see. So there's no new wallpapers, but everything feels nice and fast. So everything's basically the same apart from the Touch Pencil and the faster processor. So if you don't need the Touch Pencil or a slightly faster processor, go for the previous version, which is probably a little bit less in price. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Kay, and I'll see you next time.